Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey guys, it's Sierra with Smoky Mountain Traders. Welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 73 Volkswagen Beetle. And remember, if you have any questions, please give us a call or email us. But for now, let's go ahead and step forward and let's take a look. As we look across the front, we can see that it has the thin channel bumper, which was last offered on this year. As we make our way to the driver's side, you'll notice this car has been updated with a lot of trim that looks stunning. Let's take a look on the inside. The interior is done in the beige, which complements the exterior beautifully. The dash is in great condition along with the center gauges. As we come on around, you can see the seats are in great condition along with the carpet and the headliner. Now that we've checked out the inside, why don't you come around and let's check out the driveline of this Beetle. This 73 is powered by the correct AK-coded 1600cc engine. All of the engine bay is in great condition. The 1600cc engine is mated to the 4-speed trans that's in great condition along with the clutch. As you come around the passenger side, I'll take a step back so you can get a look at how beautiful this 73 is. This two-tone Phoenix red and light ivory color scheme is beautiful on this Beetle. As you can see, it has the luggage rack up top to go along with the gravel guards and the polished running boards. The body is solid on this 73 and the stance is set up with 15-inch wheels with new white wall tires along with new centers and beauty rings. Now that we've had a chance to take a closer look, we'll get this on the highway for you. But do remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, give us a call, and until then, we'll see you next time.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.